Ben Cartwright tells us a bit about this aeroplane.
The Rockwell B1-B, Bone or Lancer. Hold on to your socks, they're about to be blown off. This will really rock your world. You'll experience 120,000 pounds of thrust. He's firing up, see the jet exhaust come out the back. He's going to take off with a full afterburner. Then depart out to the hold and he'll conduct a series of passes over the next 2 hours. But here he comes. He started the takeoff roll, the Rockwell B1-B. The only aircraft on display here today with swing wings or sweep wings, variable sweep. Fully forward there.